In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set a sleep timer on your Samsung TV. Now, in this video, I'm going to be using this controller here, but it's also going to be the same process if you have the new controller, which is flatter and has less buttons on. Also, if you have a slightly different model of Samsung TV, this is also going to work the same. So I'm going to show you two different ways that you can actually go ahead and do this. The first one is very easy. What you want to do is you want to go ahead first of all and click on this home button in the middle. This should take you to a page that looks like this. Now, if you are on something like PlayStation or another app, it will kind of minimize it down there, but don't worry. What we're going to do is we're going to go across, then we're going to go down, then we're going to go down to settings. And from settings, we're going to go all the way over here. And as you can see, once we start scrolling, it goes back to the device you're on. We're going to go all the way over here until we see sleep timer. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click. And so the first click in is going to be 30 minutes. The next one's going to be 60 minutes. Next one's 120. And finally, we have 180 minutes. Then once you're ready to go, you can go ahead, click on the return button. That will take you back to the thing that you're on. And then the TV is going to turn off after the set amount of time that you actually went ahead and did. Now, the next way we can go ahead and do this is we can go back to the home button, back over to settings. Then we're going to scroll across to where it says all settings here. We're going to select that. Then we're going to go down to where it says general, system manager, time. And then here we're going to have clock and sleep timer. So we want to click on the sleep timer option. And here we can go ahead and actually select which sleep timer we want. So if we put 30 minutes, it means the TV will turn off in 30 minutes time. So that's how you do it. Very, very simple. If you have any questions about this, let me know down below. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.